Just gotta take out this screw, that screw. This is a T30 Torx. And I already took the screws out, make it easy. And then y'all see down in there, you just lift this up, say like that. Oop, oop, see that? You see this right here? Look how nasty that is. Just pull that straight out, you know?
Nasty.
Nasty. Throw that one down there. I got the new one right here. Oh, which way was that? Yeah, and then this. And then you look at this bad boy, fresh. And we just put that down there. And then you just do it like that. Just slide that bad boy in there. See? Boop. That's it. Just like that. Simple. They charge you like 10, 20 bucks to do this. You just go places. Done. Put that over there. Get this stuff out of there, you see? Then you just grab this right here. You see that? The bad boy go right back right here. Ooh, dusty. I know. Nasty. Cool. So we just put these in here. That's it down in there like that. Like that, see? And then we just curve just like this. You see the vibes. And then next I'm gonna do the air filter. Oh, it's the wrong way. You see that? Just 2 screws. Easy peasy. Like, comment, subscribe, nation. I'm gonna get y'all when I get to the air filter over there. I'm gonna do the air filter next. Which I already got the screws out. That one's easy too. It's only two screws. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's cook. So look, you see right here? They see it? Can they see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, cool. So 2 screws, top and screw, bottom screw. It's kind of like the bigger one. And these screws don't come all the way out, so you don't got to worry them come all the way out. And then you kind of go back like this and then come out. You got to go back like this because y'all see these little holes?
Uh-huh.
See, they see these holes right here?
Yeah.
And then if you look, oh, look how nasty that is. And then look, see?
Oh, yeah.
Get down. You see back up in here? You see back in here?
Oh, yeah, it's got feathers in it.
Yeah, it's doing bad. Look, you see right here? See those? Can they see that? Right here?
Let me see what?
All the way back
really.
there. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this out first.
You move out the way, I can probably see.
You just gotta pull this out. This thing bad. Oh, I think it's stuck in there. Here we go. There we go. See that? That's nasty. Look at that. Look at these. All this in there. Look at this.
Oh, yeah, that's cakey.
It's all nasty.
Cakey.
This got about I think you're supposed to change these like every 100K. Brand new.
Brand new. Look at how that one looks. Clean.
See, so on this, see these nipples? You see how those got openings?
Yeah.
There's 3 little nipple things back there. You can see it right there? They're black. You gotta go in that, make sure it's closed all the way. You see it?
Okay, I see the 3 on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So on this one, you just basically just put it right back in. Simple too. Put it straight in. It's in there, see? Just like that. You know, you dump this out, make sure there's no trash in there. See, I'm gonna go backward first. Make sure this is in here. Kind of like put it like that. It's not all the way in there. Kind of like this.
Kind of pop it in.
Yeah, gotta get it in those little nipples just back there.
Gotta put that side on first, huh?
You gotta put the back side on first. And there you go. Just like that. See that? You need some. You see me?
Yeah, I see
And
it.
that's it. And then you just basically come here and screw it back in. Tie them up evenly. So go, you know, right that. Move back and forth. I just, you know, that's just how I do things. Most people should do things like that when it comes to screwing things down. And that's how we changed the air filter and the cabin air filter. Literally took what, 5 minutes?
Yep.
If that. I should have brought the longer screwdriver out. That's cool. We can get it done. But that's it, though, you know? And just like that, we got a fresh new air filter in there. You know? So I'll tighten these down. And that's it. Top off a couple of things. I'm going to top off this coolant, because our coolant's just a little low, for my liking. But anyways, look at me. Like, comment, subscribe, guys.